everyone, so I have a haul from Inloveartshop. They asked me to work with them and I'm really excited. I do have a coupon code with them. It is Vagabond Crafter and it will save you 25% off of your order. So if you do order from them, I really appreciate it if you'd use my coupon code, and it does also save you some money of 25%, which is pretty amazing. And after a certain amount of you spending, they do offer shipping as well. So that's pretty awesome. So go check out their website, and I'll leave a link below to the website and to all of these products that I got. So I know I have a few people tell me that they don't have a die cutting machine. So I got some stuff that I wanted to show that they do sell pre-cut items. So you can still go ahead and get some items from them that you don't need dies for. So these are rolled flowers, which are pretty exciting to have. So you don't have to sit there and crank them out. So I'll just take one out to show you. And then in a later video, we will be putting these together so you guys can see how that all works out. So it does come with multiple colors. As you can see right here, this pack has red, orange, blue, yellow, and then the pink one. And they do come in strips so that you can just go ahead and pull them apart. And then what you would do is you would just start rolling them. So you want to take something really fine to roll them. Like I said, I'll do that in another video to share with you guys in like a tutorial. But yeah, so if you guys want to do your own little 3D rolled flowers, they do offer these on their website, and you don't need a die cutting machine for that. They do also sell stencils, which I didn't order any this time. But if you're into stencils, you can definitely get some of those. And then they do have stamp sets as well. So if you are into stamping, so they have a ton of variety of stuff, not just dies. So go check them out. I'm sure you'll be able to find something on their website that will really pique your interest because they just have so much to offer. I personally love this one that says "Be My Valentine," and then the little heart background you could use for any time of year. It doesn't have to be just for Valentine's Day, especially if you're into like mixed media stuff. This is a nice little background stamp. And then I thought the same thing with this little circle one. Again, if you're into like the little mixed media and you want to do like kind of like a little like splash or a little puddle or a bubble, I thought this would be really cute to use that for that as well. And then you can always just stamp this and then stamp the "Be My Valentine" inside of that circle as well. So a lot of different varieties here. So just wanted to share that they do have more stuff that you don't necessarily have to have a die cutting machine for. So I love nesting dies. I just think they are gorgeous, especially the ones that do a little stitch. I think are so pretty. And these smaller size were definitely giving me like a ticket vibe. You can also use a large one if you're doing a ticket. Maybe you want to do something fun at home for the kids, and you can do like a print on here, and you can print or die cut out some alphabets that say, admits one, ticket to family movie night, and then just use this larger one for that. Because like I said, I was getting the whole like, movie ticket, old school vibe. So love that. I want to see if maybe one of these size would fit for ATCs. And then have this be just like a little border. So I need to see. I haven't measured these yet. So I'm going to check on that as well. So that was another idea that I had for those besides the whole tickets. And then in this one, I think is gorgeous. It's going to be hard to see. But this is Happy Holidays. And then wishing you a happy birthday. So I'll take this out of the packaging. But once I die cut it, you'll really be able to see these a lot better. And I will be sharing all of this stuff all die cut out. So here is the font. I like the font that it was nice and cursive, but it's also nice and thin. So if you're not into making like really big cards like myself, I've started enjoying making cards, but I find myself making smaller ones. So like 3x3 cards, I feel like is my good starting point, especially since I'm new to making cards. It's not really my thing. So 3x3s have been amazing. I'm going to share a couple tutorials with you guys on putting together some 3x3 cards. So I thought these would be the perfect size for those. So got that set right there. And then the next one that I got, I'm super stoked about. You guys know I love my little bugs, my bumblebees, my ladybugs, my butterflies. I'm obsessed with butterflies right now because I have a little garden going. So this next one right here, I saw and I was like, I need that in my life. I totally need that in my life. I need to start taking more pictures of my butterflies and scrapbooking them. I've done a couple videos on our little garden, so I just thought this one was beautiful. You layer all 3 pieces to get the butterfly wings, and then here is the butterfly body, which I love that the little antennas are a little bit thicker than I normally see because sometimes they're super thin. I'm afraid I'm going to break them off. So I just feel like this is going to be a beautiful, beautiful set once you layer all 3 pieces together and then put the little butterfly body together. So I'm really, really excited to go ahead and cut this one out and see how it all comes together. And then you guys know I love my bumblebees. So when I saw this one, I was like, yes, I need that. Put it in my cart. It's a shaker. I love shakers. It's the little bees. You guys know I love my little bugs. And I love that the wings are actually separated from the body. So I like layering these pieces when it's easy. So this is going to be easy. Here's my base. Here is my top little bee, and then here are my wings. So it's just going to take me 3 little passes to go ahead and get 3 different cutouts, and I think this is going to be amazing. I got my yellow, I got my black, and then I want to do these in like a vellum. I think would be really, really pretty. So it still has that like translucent color of the wings. So I think this is going to be so much fun. And then with the whole shaker element, you guys know I love my shakers. Here's the base. You cut this out in foam. Then you cut this out in your acetate. And then you cut this out in your top layering paper piece that you want. And then they did include a couple little flowers, which is really, really cute as well. So you could definitely roll the ends of these flowers and then add like a little rhinestone to the center just to jazz it up a little bit. So I got some ideas on what to do with these. So in the next video, I'll be coming back and I'll share with you guys what everything looks like cut out. And then we'll go over how to go ahead and roll these flowers to give you guys an idea of what everything looks like. So like I said, I'll link everything down below in the description box. I'll leave my coupon code VagabondCrafter to save 25% off down there as well. Hope you guys are having a wonderful and fabulous day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.